I have a cat on my lap, so bear with me. Ooh, extensions are now enabled on mobile devices. Oh, that's really cool. I forgot what that message was. So we do have some new extensions down here, panel, and what we're going to be working on. Oh no, there you go. We're going to be working on improving the digital tectonic or the tectonic bot. So part of this, right, is going to be set a message that it sends all the time, like the channel that it'll receive. Then text color, our bot. Oh yeah, right. Bot auto message, call it. So that here, and just like have it defined. Then I'm going to over here. It doesn't currently say anything yet, so we're gonna need to like message JSON that we can put like series of messages. Oh my gosh, God. Kind of like this one has a couple call out messages like opening message. We're gonna want to take. Oh wow, opening message. Call. Whoa, 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 got it. What? No, no. Okay, so apparently the cat wanted to play with a whole bunch of things. Maybe just, they're probably like auto messages. Auto. This is going to be array. Put in here. Going to be follow. There. Footer. Enjoy the content. These are kind of standard things. And we'll just have these two up in here. Save this. So I think I'm going to stop using the constant, right? Because I want to have the ability to later reload these or store new ones. And that is going to take a bit of rework, so I'm not going to do that. But we've got some things that the bot will do, like help, schedule, schedule. So we're going to determine a stable schedule. Please follow for notifications to go live. And that's kind of what we got right now. Let's see. Our other API went. Yeah. Improve our tweet. So the big thing here is that on the Moola bot, we have this auto messenger. It like sets interval and it does something. So set interval, we wanted to send a timed chat message interval for message. Kind of have this already. This comes up here. Thing says every 4 minutes. I mean, a lot of this is going to have to be refactored. Maybe every 3 minutes. Happen more often. This, I mean, we don't have to set that, guys. That kind of just that one off. And then we can break here, kill it, load this Tectonic bot up. Okay. Oh. Oh, misspelled. So that would be nice if there's a plugin out there that you guys know of that will tell me that when these are wrong. That'd be really cool. Oh my gosh. No. And on Android Studio, it's like Alt F6 or something. So okay, so this is aired because we had a chat or we had a bot issue 31. We have an interval, we have a message interval, but we don't have a send timed message chat function. We have over here. Like some of our extra functions, right? So send chat message, this is select from list though, we don't have that. That's over here. And I have a whole bunch of extra stuff that I want to do in here. So this is more like I have a whole bunch of extra code, like randomize interval message. I'm thinking that'll help. I wonder, okay, that light shaking whenever that's just kind of shaking in. This was extra code for so we still have another function, so it'll crash. This should actually not be random time between, but it should be like random number between point. Maybe that should be range. That's not the only thing we'd eventually have it do. Now this thing would start, like spewing messages. A lot of times people put in like things that say, check the last 3 chats, cat go past. Yep, that's not an OBS source, that is a legit cat. So now he'll like say things. Bitch hole. Out. And that way there's a little more variety. There's 3 messages. Let's go ahead and load that now. Crashes. Nope. Okay, hello all. We got a hello all, hello all. Yes, the cat is just gratiating herself. Sit here. The guy will preside over these people. A little funny. Okay, let's see if it actually fires. We're at 12, so we gotta wait till 15 after. About another minute, and we'll see if it fires for something. There's some other good in here. Oh yeah, hosting. Channel at 150 points. Add that one in there. I want to do something where it like auto loads that in, so I love the cat is like giving the backside of her head. Oh, there you go. Love the cat. How about that? That's where we change the stream. Loves the cat. It's all good. We did get a little bit smarter today, but we're also burning a bit more resources. We got this working, OBS capture, so we're capturing another OBS studio, and you can play with it, and that means I can come over here, like property it, and working. It's not, there's no transition between these, like instant, and you can see we're like 1 pixel off when it moves, but it doesn't look bad. And that's going to be the basis of one of our animations. I think I need to have this redone, but I want to look at like drawing it on the canvas. And I think we just ticked over. It's now 16. Nope, we had an error. Possible message length. Okay, I forgot to segment them out. As possible message length. Right, so opening message here. I have to slice out. I don't think it has to be I don't think it has to be a constant, but that does help. So we're gonna reload this. Possible. Oh, because auto messages. Yep. Okay. Woo. I do wish there was a debugger that would help a little bit more with that, because those seem like very silly kind of things to get caught on, and of course we're getting caught on them. So yeah, so we need this. Turn off OBS capture because we don't need it right now. Switch highlight, fresh. How do you? I don't know how you set up Twitch highlight. Oh, maybe it's down here. Settings, extensions. I don't have very many. Highlighter. Um, whoa, whoa. Oh, they combine all these. Okay, in this we just need to grab this. Okay. Changes are automatically saved as you edit. That's awesome. Right, so does that mean you now fresh setting and type in here. Oh, thank you for liking the bot. Line, I don't know, 8. Highlight line 8. Oh, this is looking for someone. Not really. Oh, yay, finally fired. Settings. Go. Tectonics. What is it even? Chat? Nope. White. Code. What? Highlight that. code. Okay, fresh. I just don't. How does it get like line 8? Mention highlighter. Skills. Code. But status bar status bar. Oh, disconnected. Oh wait, 1 second. We're gonna do a token thing. So, token. Okay, I gotta get a token for Twitch apps. Twitch apps dot slash PMI. Okay. Unable to connect. Okay, why? Okay. So, not right. Um, click the set credentials button. Where's the set credentials? This status bar, click the disconnect button. After clicking, you'll see credential button. Hit enter. Your next will be prompt. Switch token, which I did that. How do I dump that? Oh, how do I switch tokens? Unable to connect. So, oh, I get what it's saying there, but Why isn't there any other uninstall, install? Back off so you guys can installing again. As the error kept going, unable to connect. Wish it was quite a bit more fresh. I don't understand why it's being. It's really weird. Things should just work. Maybe it's because there's another one working on it. It said saved. Okay, maybe we just Google it real quick on this. Twitch highlight extension. Oh, well, I mean, because Twitch has its own highlighter, there's a problem, right? It's like, nope. And now, how do I switch this? Well, that's not working for some reason. Highlight. Yes, code. Huh, okay, well, that was kind of a bust. It's been really nice to get this to work, but it seems like these guys don't really provide, like, it just said, oh, not connecting. Maybe check for updates. There's no way to dump this here. That credential. I mean, it is a GitHub, so let's just master branches. Right down here. I mean, okay, there's an Azure dev. So I don't want to clone it, I just want to see files. Branches. Oh, okay. Like, only choice is just download this. Oh, I just need to sign in. Okay, we spent enough time trying to get this thing to work. I think there's a lot of improvements here that could be made. Like this little extension got added in here, but I mean, it shows this image being different than this. When you click on it, there isn't any controls. It feels really clunky because if I click on it, right, that should tell me it was disconnected up here, I would think. I mean, just from a user perspective. No, these are all broken. I don't get what this. That's how you gotta keep it held down. Okay, I think we're just gonna switch over to some art stuff. Like, I got a really annoyed little cat here, and I'm just kind of done. We don't have our beast. Okay, everyone, here's the gato. Wait, kitty. Here. That's pretty annoying. Oh my gosh. I didn't want to change. Okay, my bad. Gato, what are you trying to watch? Loves playing with the iPad in the most random times ever. So, I don't. Oh my gosh, I am just not doing good today. I didn't unmute the stream. Awesome. I need to install that mic check thing. That would help out a lot. Um, okay. Photo host channel. How come I can just go over here? Post to me. Yeah. Refresh this. I thought I set up a poll already. They're not a poll down here? No poll. Okay, no poll. Awesome. Add poll. I thought I already did this. Let's add a poll here. You know, watch one ad or have bank ads. Call this banner and watch one ad. Like okay, commit. You want to add this poll? Yeah, I thought I already had this poll. Now is there a poll? Guess you're gonna have to refresh. Okay, so but it's there. Gosh, you got fat cats. So crap. I don't know. I really need to talk to the artist about some of the other usable space points and how they're doing. So let's see if the mobile version log in. Like videos. How do I see the? Here's how you chat. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of. Oh, here. Oh, here. You have to hit the puzzle icon at the top. There's nothing to vote on right now. I just created a new one though. How is there nothing to vote on? Link identity. Nope, I don't care. That. Okay, so I just learned something. That this little, like, if you have an extension, if you turn it this way. Yeah, okay. You have these extensions. It says that there's a poll ready, so. I don't know, has anyone ever used, like, the poll extension, and you didn't have, like, if you had problems or anything, tell me what's going on. Maybe I'm just using it wrong. Back to chat. Okay, that's awesome. Not saying anything there. Awesome sauces. Okay. But Okay, I guess. Okay, that's not good. Loaded with nothing. Still loaded with nothing, even better. Which OBS? Wait, it said OBS disconnected, but I'm still showing a stream. So which OBS went? This one wasn't connected. Showing no. Okay, so that's awesome. There's still nothing. 0 drop frames, back at 3100 bit rate. This thing, look here. Oh, save? Oh my gosh, it wasn't big enough. The poll works. So, alright, so, human error, idiot, right? So yeah, that didn't work as expected, but I mean, it can work, and I mean, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, more lulls. Yeah, I need to make some kind of like extension that would do a timer here. Like, okay, and then have it where a property is, if it like reached the 0 counter, it would count back up. So instead of doing the bot stuff, let's get Lua Script, canvas, right here. I usually eat up a lot of these. Lua Script, raw. Drawing lines. Okay, let's check this guy out, you know? Oh, go to coding, see it. We're gonna check this guy out, drawing lines with, how to draw a straight line. One of the basic things to do is draw a straight line. Good. Thickness. Okay, okay, now possible. Interesting. Angel fire. Okay, so I don't think there's an exact way to draw on here. So, doing what I want to do, because this is probably own repo. Pato. I need a little nameplate. It says Jelly Bean right up here or something. Cat. That's what we're gonna add real quick into the bot. How about that for those? Tectonic bot. Have help. Have case. Cat. Right. And then case. Cat. Oh, thank you for the host. Appreciate it, really do. 250 points to we gotta come up with a better system. I was gonna do like sound waves or something like that, but I don't know, it doesn't do much sense. Send message to chat. Billy, Jazzy, that. I need to make this add it to do. Save that. Okay, come back over here. Up again. Bang. There we go. And now, if I want, I can type cat. There you go. I am really thinking that Lua doesn't have its own stuff, because it's like configure drawing with Lua Script, but this, okay, it's something that apparently isn't good. Number 2, scripts on how to do that. I think we're just going to have to go back to our OBS stuff. This one, that's going to be kind of useless. So I'm wondering how we draw on something. Draw, GS draw, GS mode, GS sprite. Okay, so probably are all remove draw callback, add draw callback, right, subregion, the color matrix, front. All right, let's just start with GS draw. Draws a primitive or set of primitives. Okay, we don't know what this is. So points line strip draws a line strip. I really love these. Like, these are definitely developers that are very focused. They want to give like enhancements, right? But they fail. Maybe they fail to understand. No one knows, like, or how few people coming into this is going to understand what a line strip is. I get draw individual lines, draw individual triangles, individual triangle strip. Does that mean it's like an array version of it? It just kind of draws. I mean, okay, maybe we want to end up drawing sprite then. Just flush, just call mode, blending, depth test, stencil test. I don't know what stencil test is. Yes, enable color. Okay. Draw sprite. Well, I gotta make affiliate first. How about that? You know. Draws a 2D sprite, sets the image parameter of the current back to texture, and renders a quad if the width is 0, the width or height of the texture is. Flip value specifies whether the texture should be flipped or the U or V axis. Yes, flip U, Y. So the UV is like the map for like a 3D object. So I guess what they're trying to say is like 2D sprite here, but a GS draw. Wondering, have some code and very much like this. This is the video version that I was working with earlier, but this is still a video. We didn't actually end up just drawing it. So, but this is like GS blend. I don't have a good like draw, like video render. So let's. So whatever, I'll have to do this. Source information, render video. Like I want, that was pretty specific, but what happens if it's raw? Uses ticks, hide, show, activate, deactivate, update. Is it going to be an update? Save, load, mouse click. Never got this mouse click thing to work. Focus, never got focus to click. Data type, never used. Transition start, stop. Push to mute, pierce to delay. Oh, these are all audio, rename, volume, audio sync, filter, add, mixer, sync, transition start, video stop. General source function, state private. Okay, I mean this is, I like these kind of author notes in here. Source duplicate, duplicates a source. If the source has OBS do not duplicate flag set, it only returns a new reference to the same source. I mean, that's not a bad idea here. Weak source reference. Configurable true. Custom properties false otherwise. Updates settings for a source and calls the OBS source info update call the source of the source. The video source, the source will not be called immediately. They refer to the video thread and presented. Okay, I mean, makes sense. So how do I just do a draw? Okay, we did have, not this one. Oh, that's Tectonic bot. We have this one. We have Lua color source, which does it as a video render. And I mean, does that mean that it renders out? I mean, not really, because it is a video source. So how do you draw just, makes no sense. What happens if I just want to draw a single image? Like, how does that work? Yeah, I was looking on here, visibility timing, all this, resources. You know what? OBS plugins, nope, scripts. Like so many of these are just video stuff. Like this is Python MIDI control, which makes sense. Instant replay, transition connections. Okay, let's see. Is written really recently, within 3 months. Interesting. Applied workaround probably that's where the original transition would autoplay status. Okay, I feel like that's still a video thing. Text trigger. Yeah, this. Okay, we're gonna go on an epic hunt for video content on our topic that we. So I want to see if there's like OBS Lua Script videos. Okay, this could be interesting. Like part of it though. Okay, wait a minute. Coding. Go here. And not coding. I don't know. You can't really hear my desktop audio, can you? I can't really hear desktop audio, so. This guy seems to pop up a lot. That's pretty much the only person on this. Like, I think this is the same guy. Can't tell because he has really bad graphics. Formatting, custom draw source. So like, this would be my jam. Custom drawing. Like this guy, this same guy again, you know? Like, I really just want to message him and be, hey, maybe we just message him. Time amps. Awesome, dude. Formatting custom draws on source, right? So Okay, I'm gonna eat some pizza. Bear with this dude. Actually, what I think I'm gonna do is try to figure out how to add audio for him.
Hmm. Cool. If frames less than 1, then return.
Okay, so I'm gonna mute me and allow us to hear him. He is unfortunately all the way turned up, all the way turned up. Not sure how I bring him much louder, so
I
we'll
almost
see.
don't need you. I need the script panel. And then we want to, oh, we did do this. So if this should be nil, then we should be putting dummy values in here. Oh, right. These are supposed to be constantly increasing values. Oh, goodness.
Okay, I need to set up my, need to put my whole setup back together, but it looks like what he's doing here, part of this is because it's
Okay.
kind of low res for me.
So we've got numbers.
Wait a minute, I don't,
OBS command. This might actually be big enough to see. This is a little bit better, I think. As far as being pixel accurate. Okay, this was the OBS command line options we didn't end up using. And then we have this stuff over here, which means we need to get our script log somewhere else. Oy. So many windows. So now, if we've got more than one, well, I guess these are technically lines. Not greater than 1 is 2. So this thing was working the other day. And dead. So this is why we have a separate instance. And it only seems to be dying in the projector is the weird part. So let's try, I don't know, greater than 5. Select that one, reload it. We should be able to see a line on here. Yep. And then what about when the projector kills it? So let's break it down piece by piece, figure out what kills it.
Really do wish he was. I mean, he's doing such stuff high level, I think, that he doesn't realize he's like.
Drawing anything. So.
And then again, I guess not that many people are gonna really.
It is not sufficient. Oh, so here's another question. Does it have something to do with reloading? Nope, seems fine. Oh, I lost the GX matrix pop when I was copying this. That could maybe do something. Unless there was one scale for both of these. Oh. Maybe. No, because one is scaled. No. I want to scale the entire thing to frames.
Sorry, guys.
So unbalanced matrices, maybe. If there was no automatic cleanup, that could do it. And I guess let's put that back to where we want it. See if that does it.
I don't know, I used the lapel mic today. I kind of liked it, except for I kept grabbing my shirt. Oh, Joey. I gotta turn on timestamps
do
in
this because
How you
the
doing?
matrices were fishy.
Trying to like learn OBS code from this guy, but this guy is kind of like I don't know how to say it. Just I don't know. He's not like explaining anything to anyone, and it gets really difficult to follow what he's doing because he's just like he's faster than I am. Believe it or not. Oh, you just got here? Oh, I mean, I appreciate it. I gotta turn the timestamp. Oh, I understand when people show up. Oh, I don't want dark mode. Oh yeah, dark mode. Yeah. I mean, so you want to see the here? I'll boot up another OBS real quick so you can see some of the cool stuff I was doing earlier. Launch anyway. Okay, I'm dying. Dying. Okay, I think everyone can see me again. I gotta come up with a better way to boot up another OBS because apparently, yeah, format. So we have this gauge. Oh, I don't need this on this. We have this gauge, which is pretty. Yeah, it dropped everybody because coming out of OBS. I guess that's almost as bad as it crashing, kind of half crashed. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I think I have to like have a separate copy of OBS running, like a completely separate copy, like OBS testbed or something. But what I want to showcase is that if I come over here and I properties, you can see this here. We have this, you know, and we can take this all the way down to 0, and then we can take this up all the way to position 6. So, I mean, you know this as the market timing gauge mobile version, but I want to really resize this. But if I do, it will mess it all up. So I definitely have to download a new OBS. It really irks me. But at least I have this running. And you can kind of, if you look real closely, you can see how the middle just jumps around ever so slightly. Yeah. That becomes like the real problem there. I'm going to reorder these. Way to Oh, I want to rename this one. A. Nope, that did not work. Rename. I'm gonna have to find a way to reorder these. Filters, property. Does not work well. Yeah, it moves around just a little bit, but it's enough to be annoying. You know, to me, I'm kind of pseudo-perfectionist on that. But it doesn't take much of a change either to make it where it'll look really, really, really good. And what I was thinking about doing is like coming in here into the code and doing it where you can set start position and finish position on 2 different variations, right? Because I have a color source, which really annoys me, is the wrong kind of thing. So this one should have on it focus. That didn't work. This is like all the effects that I need. The whole thing. To come over here. This. So now this will actually draw what it's supposed to draw correctly. In here. I already have all that, but I need this. I don't have a good destroy. Oh no, I had this here. Oh, not at the end. This is video render, but I think this just kind of jumps it really quick. And what I want is like the position to start something. This is my current like get defaults. Here. And then move some of these around. So get property. Okay, so this one's add this property here, so get position. But I think this should be like start position, start. Here. And then I may even do a thing where it's like, how much time does it take to do it? So it ramps up, ramps down, kind of thing. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, start position, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, so I don't know, these, so this start here. That way, you know, it can ramp through. So I added this one and this one. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. You can kind of see them side by side. Yeah, kabow! Yeah. Oh, did you see I added this little thing here. You can also do cats. And then there's a poll down below. It's kind of stupid right now, but I figured out how that worked. So I'm going to bring this over here real quick. Like a lot of stuff to be. So you can like refresh these where they were, feedback, manage playlists, and like add another poll. Watch one video, add or have right, and then it's like enter, add one go add. Depends on the app. And submit, yes. Then the key is here, like I want to remix the, to save this. This like, it doesn't tell you, hey, really, really, really needed. And then, well, you can jump back out of this. You can see what they voted on, right? So we can track this. You're like, okay, yeah, I was having a whole bunch of problems early on, and someone politely said, yeah, it works now. There's a thing where like edge 18 and lower doesn't work, so that was an issue. Oh, crap, couldn't see it. There we go. I need to color this as red, like to not turn the overlay off. Sorry, I didn't properly show you there. Like, ooh, what does customize do? Oh, we can choose different colors. That's pretty bomb. I hadn't really gotten into this yet. Where would it go? So if you look down below the video, it would go down there. So this is cool. We can change all the colors. I will end up playing with that. So these are like digital Tectonic colors. But you could do manage, and then you can add another poll. Do you want bot coding? Or no, what type coding want to watch? It's like bot creation, Android apps, OBS courses, like submit a poll up there, you know, so I can dumpster these now because I don't need. And the big thing is to hit this. This is what I was trying to show earlier. Oh, you're on mobile? These work on mobile too. That's the beauty part. There is a little, okay, so if you're portrait, if you turn it portrait, you're going to see this little puzzle icon up above. And we're going to have to come up with something for that because that's really blah to find. But there's a little puzzle icon in the top right corner. And if you click that, you'll get access to all these. So yeah. I'm wondering if video render isn't just. Yeah, see, now, I mean, and I bet we can do that for something for the stream. That would be really nice. You know, hey, does this content appeal to you? Did my poll go through? Let me pop this out real quick. Pull it over here. Right? You would rather watch a video ad, and then OBS, sources, and like. Yeah, see? So, definitely here. Oh, this isn't a bad idea. Okay, so loyalty. What to call? I don't know. Waves. Really. What was another good name for this? You know, I know I want like the dumb one is like points. But it's like get a lot of use out of that. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping we definitely get a lot of use out of it. Okay, so there's this thing called loyalty points. If you, there should be another panel down there. Whenever you hit that button, I don't know if you can see it, but there should be another one, and it's like the leaderboard, and it should tell you all your point score. Joey, I think you were like ranked number 10, right? So if you don't hit save, like, okay, so let's say we want to call this, not codes, but what's another word for codes? Lines. Call it lines. Yeah. Sure you want to add this new poll. I click yes, right? I'm thinking, okay, I totally added that to it. Now, if I were to hit this or hit anything else, it does not add it. You have to hit this. I don't know, it's a little weird, honestly. But now you have that extra thing. So, yep, and then you can go back here and you can see what everyone voted on, right? I mean, it's kind of nice, and you can do it as a quiz too. So it's a little, I don't know, it's a little bit different. I don't think you lose the data. Nope. I think they're good until you delete them. So, but I don't know. 1 out of 3 I feel is okay because this is pretty nice little animation. When you mouse over it, you're like, oh yeah, that looks good. But I don't know. I think people are really gonna do this. I feel like any more than 3, but marketing will probably ask us to do like 25. What's the color of your house? Why does that even matter? But yeah, yeah. I mean, but it's true. So this is what I was talking about, all that weird math. It was Oliver. So I think every video tick means if it renders at like 30 frames a second. Yeah, no, I definitely would agree. Yeah, no, I think that was a home run, Joey, right there. What type of trader are you? I don't really know what the quiz does differently. Like, let's pop this out real quick. And then manage, add a quiz. I don't know. Code or how about black, white? Yeah. And then it's black. I think it's got something to do with saving the order. So let's say you do a quiz. Yeah, hard pass on the math. You can just use, okay, so it's got some kind of JavaScript in here so you can just move these around. That's pretty nice. But like, how do you actually do that? I am not positive. I know it updates pretty frequently. But I don't know what the quiz looks like. You know what I mean? Like, oh, how do you know which one's the right answer? Okay, so I'm gonna edit this. Manage playlist. Oh, you can't change this? Oh, I need to dumpster this thing then. Okay, so let's create one more. Add quiz. What type of investor I'm gonna spell really bad. Prudent, aggressive with double S's. Oh no, double G's. What am I doing here? Double G's. Choice. How about spec? And then crap. What's the other one? No cheating, no cheating, no cheating. What's the other one? Okay, I'm a total cheat. YouTube. VectorVest. Slight VectorVest plug here. Go check out something. Nope, don't want to listen to that. Oh my golly, please tell me welcome to mobile is Joey, have you seen the channel yet? Oh, conservative, damn. Watch that one. Yeah, I failed, Joey, because I'm not a conservative trader. I think that's what it is. We're going to skip this ad. We're going to jump to Glenn. Oh, here we go. Okay. I did not put him in the order. He has them on his sheet. And conservative, and then spec, you know. Okay, and it looks like you can add one more choice in here, but we're going to submit and say yes. And then, okay, that quiz, let's bring all these quizzes to the top. Save. And then go out here to manage it. Like, does this mean that this one's the top one? Like, that is the only right answer? Or is this what you guys see? Conservative. Did I totally misspell that or something? Oh, no. Okay, good. Conservative. Right? I keep looking at it like I spelled it wrong. But how do these look to everyone else? Okay, so quizzes don't really look different, you know? Except for how do you set the answer? Oh wow, there's 2 votes already on this. Aggressive. Playlist is visible. No. About. So does this mean like does it tell you the wrong or right answer? Like I don't know. Did you see something in there that I didn't? Make playlist. Add quiz. Like where does it say to choice, and then oh, I set what the right answer is by doing this here. Damn, I am dumb right now. Oh, you chose aggressive? Yeah, I think so. I did too. So a quiz. Okay, so we just learned something. A quiz, you click on these, right, to set what the right answer is. Because if you look, go back here, it's like prudent was the right answer. Yeah, I don't know why. That's why I kept thinking, why is there radio buttons? You know what would be great is if they had something back in here like idiot's guide. You know? Yeah, like just idiot's guide. I would have totally clicked on it. I'd been like, I probably would have fumbled around with it first and been like, bro, I'm ready for some instructions. You know, hook it up. And inside that thing, I'd put, hey, just because you said yes, you're going to have to hit save again. You know, the giant, the humongous, floppy disk. Seriously, man, you might want to hit that, you know? But, yeah. And I've had some viewership bumps. Like I had 5 for a minute here, you know? People were like popping off. See, you chose correctly if you chose black for this one, apparently. You know? That's hilarious. Yep. see. Punch that save button. Yeah, just smash it, crush it down. I'm really excited though because I had to teleport my whole kit because I'm gonna move my office around, and I don't know if you can tell, but I got one of my new lights in, and here's what it looks like without any light. That's kind of like really garbage. Apex time. I got you, bro. That's my one rule right now for the channel. I can't stream games. So, I respect it. Get off on there, watch some League, And if you hear when the first season comes out, it's going to drop. If I hear it first, I'll tell you. If you hear it first, you tell me because, gotta check that shit out. Okay, I'm going to delete all these because these don't need to be quizzes. Yeah, and this is like 10%, I got the other two lights coming. They're here tomorrow. And then I'm going to move this around. I've got my whole pop cap wall over there already built. So that's going to be more of my background. And then I've got, the fiance bought me a big green screen, so I'm going to be putting that up. And I got all my other gears already. I might know. I tend to follow some trends occasionally. But yeah, I appreciate it, Joey. Thanks for stopping in, man. Hopefully it was entertaining. I definitely think it was a good idea to talk about the Twitch Pix extension. Dun dun dun. So that was a good little tutorial on that. I might even make that into like a little video actually. I mean, that isn't a really bad idea. Later. Thanks, Joey. Oh, total fail bot. It doesn't do anything. Cheer doesn't do anything right now. So, well, we'll have to add that. Okay, I'm gonna now that you brought it up. Why you gotta do that, Joey? You gotta, make fun of my shit. That doesn't work. Paste here. Break. Go. Send. Message chat. Yay. Oh, what? How do I do it on like when? Because I think that needs to be like, what is the name of the streamer? Kind of other. Whoa. Hula bot. Okay. We're doing a cheer. Yeah, good job. Yeah, so I might even make this where it's like, bar 0. Okay, I don't think you can. Or can I? Does that work? Okay, and then I'm gonna log it real quick. Full log. Here. Okay, well, that works by grabbing this terminal here. Close that up. And here. Yay, good job, Daniel. Okay, and then here count 1. Yep, so that did work. That's awesome. I like that. It's a little more concise in the way I have it written in a couple other places. So my stats are for the day. What? I don't know. We got a couple problems with branding on this thing, so we're gonna have to figure that out. That. Okay, we're gonna pop these out. Playlist. This. And save. Big save button. Be almost flashing. Yeah. Okay, now I also need a Tectonic bot, like, graphic for him. But let's look at achievements or, right? Yeah, achievements. We got 5 people chatting at the same time. Sweetness. We are at 7 followers, which is really nice. We've streamed for 5 unique days. So yeah, that's a big thing. I need to talk to my artist again because I do want to tweak some of this. Like my overlays, master. Looks so small. Layers. Followers. Count to 0, but how do I? What's the? Oh, here's text settings. I think this needs to be like 14 something. Yeah, that's way better. And then okay, how do you back up here? Settings. Oop. This just kind of how do I? Okay, save. Just go to a different one. Followers. And it's like locked. How do I unlock this? How do I don't know how to unlock it. Okay. But I definitely want this to be like 14 or even more. Here count 0. Oh. I don't know why this is locked. Oh, because I'm an idiot and it's locked right there. Okay, is there an undo? Because yep, I like that, but block that. Text settings. I think it needs to be bigger. Right? Okay. Then unlock this. Okay, but now, oh, there we go. I mean, I can make it smaller when we're like a bigger channel, I'm thinking. Block. Okay. Subscribers is kind of like useless to us right now. Data. Or no, widgets. So there's automation. There's something wrong with this, and maybe it's just, oh, I'm using it. Save this. Countdown. I don't really need that. Contest. I don't need that. I don't need that. Cheer goal. I mean, that'd be nice. Latest subscriber. Latest subscriber. There's not a recent views. You know what I mean? So bot counter. Display a live updating counter from a account name chat command. Add? I mean, no. May use any counter with a corresponding bot count counter and plain count will not work. Okay, so we're just gonna delete that. I'm gonna exit this, and then going to talk to the artist on this one. Yeah, because it's not counting. It's not like there's 0. It doesn't say 0, 5. It says 0 there. So it's not working 100%. And I don't know if that's probably something I did, but okay. How many hours have we streamed? 8.73. So followers to be able to affiliate, streamed over 8 hours. We're there. Streamed 2 more days. We're not at. Okay, so I think we're gonna get off here for tonight. Appreciate everyone in here, and just getting to watch some of this stuff go down. So have a good night. I'll see you later. Oh, you know what we're actually going to do? We're going to go raid someone. Let's raid someone first. We just dump out of here, you know? That's just not fun. Who are we going to raid? See, Downright is doing it again. We can just raid him. Yeah, we're just going to raid Downright. So, raid. I should have this as a command for the bot. Cannot raid this channel. Why not? Raid. You guys all see that in the chat or no? raiding. Raid right now. You know? Yo. He doesn't have his like raid messages set up.